So,
themselves.
kung ako sila, kakabahan ako kung ako sila. So, anong feelings ngayon now that, you just heard that? Meron bang konting kapraningan na, wait, baka ikulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya? Ay, kinakabahan.
But kidding aside, I'm also familiar with the tradition na yung mga hosts nga pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, ako, follower lang ako sa task ni Kuya. Ngayon, ang task ni Kuya sa akin mag-host po ako. Hindi ko lang po alam yung following task. So, Kuya, ikaw na pong bahala sa akin.
Yung laban mo yan sa
Takdang panahon.
How about you, Mavi?
Ako naman, kami ni Gary been asking so much questions din backstage eh. And siguro sasabihin ko na naka-ready na yung luggage ko eh. Naka-ready na yung bag ko eh.
Sigurado ka dyan.
Willing po,
Scout.
willing.
Ready na. Naantay ko lang yung boss ni Kuya na, Mavi, papasok ka na yung bahay ni Kuya. Ngayon pa lang. Joke lang. Pero yeah, I'm excited. Pero at the same time, nakakaba din. Pero, they say naman parang retreat lang. So, that's what they say. Parang retreat lang. So, I look forward to that retreat.
Huwag ka papabudol, Mavi. That's what they say. Again, that's what they say.
May quote si Melay para dyan eh.
Be careful what you wish.
Ayun, oo. Lalong pagbabanta.
Practice ready
One day.
statement.
That's right.
To be fair, parang game naman po silang pareho. Palaban ng ating mga bagong hosts ng
They should be, of course. And I guess, before anything else, I mean, sila ay
Hosting tasks for PBB. I'll be part of the PBB updates. That's every day, Mondays to Fridays. We have 3 minutes ng umaga at ng hapon. I'm also gonna be part of some of the prime time from Mondays to Fridays. Also the weekend shows, I'll also be part of that. So super exciting. Mabigat na task, but I'm very game. And I'm looking forward to learn from my co-hosts. And how do I prepare? I've been watching the past season so far, oo. Pinag-aaralan ko din siya. Yan, ang dami ding mga nagtatag sa akin on TikTok, ng mga hosting sila Ate Bianca, nila Robbie. And of course,
Sabi ko, wow, hindi ko masabi.
hindi, teka lang. Siyempre, yung pinaka-masterclass ko, from the big winner of all the big winners. And syempre, di ba, kailangan natin ng touch of Gen Z from Alexa. Ayun. So, got you. Oo. And I'm a student of Tito Boy, so I've been talking to him constantly. Actually, we had a phone call the other night. He's been telling me to go to him na so we can study the materials, and he also told me na Bianca is also my student, so if you have anything, you have any problems, or you have any questions, I can go to her daw. So Ate Bianca, alam mo na, I got you. Mamumulit ako sa iyo. Ayun.
We'll learn from the best, ika nga, no?
Yes.
Well, speaking of, kukulitin mo in the future seasons.
Kung paano ba sila, kung paano yung kalakaran, I always ask, how's the schedule? Kalakaran talaga. So how do you guys do it? Do you have any tips for me? And they've been very generous with all the information, all the knowledge, and they've been really good friends. So I'm excited to learn more.
Exciting for everybody.
Oh, we can't wait to see you also sa PBB very soon, Gabby. Okay, and now, dito naman tayo sa palaban.
Next daw,
Talagang ako, sinabi ko lang palaban. Si Ma'am Shimels ang direct to the point. Oo, direct to the point. Pero, Robbie, yun na nga, no? Medyo connected doon yung tanong ko sa'yo tungkol sa social media, virality. Kasi last season, nakita talaga natin yun. We saw how TikTok and online clips played a huge role in the show's popularity with so many moments going viral, di ba? Kinukuha ng mga fans, yung mga clips, tapos
Screen
yun
grab,
viral. Parang ang dami tuloy naging involved at talagang invested lalo sa kwento ng mga housemates. So this season ba, do you think this season's housemates will be more conscious of that? Or do you think they will let their natural selves shine despite the online pressure? Parang, ano sa tingin mo yung magiging challenge nila?
I think pag sinabing celebrity, ano na agad eh, ingrained na sa kanya yung defense systems, yung mechanism na you have to be prepared, especially when you go online, di ba? Daming mga unnecessary comments, mga trolls, so ang celebrity, especially last season, I'm sure ngayon sa comment section, hinahanap nila, nasan si Fiang? Sigurado ako. Nasaan si Piang?
Sino pa ba makakasagot niya, no?
Oo.
Everyone is looking for her.
Nag-rehearse kanina, nakita namin.
Yes.
For a different program naman. Pero, yun, being viral is a good thing. Pero may mga repercussions din siya. Siyempre, ano yung repercussions?
Ewan ko sa'yo, ikaw sabi dyan eh.
May mga effects siya. So, last season yung first na
Parang first stern warning.
yes, actually every week nagpapaalala kami na be kind sa social media kasi grabe na yung mga threats talaga na nare-receive ng mga housemates and their families are involved as well. Kaya grabe kami sa pag-prepare ng mga sarili namin. I'm sure for this season, especially celebrities, handa sila. But at the same time, yung mga celebrities, gumagawa ng social media para ipakita yung kakaibang side nila. Diba? Na marunong din ako magluto. Ito rin yung mga hobbies ko. Tao rin ako. Tulad na sinabi ni Ate Bianca, at the end of the day, celebrities are people as well, just like you and me. Just like everyone else. Kaya makikita nila yung different side of all the celebrities from Sparkle and from Star Magic na papasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Very well said. Thank you, Mayor Robbie.
Thank you. Candidate.
Hindi ako yung kinukuhan mo.
Ito pala. Wala dong.
Pero reminders din ito kay Mavi and kay Gabi because pati mga host din, pinipressure din ng mga
Yeah.
mga
Thank you, Monty, for that reminder.
Yes, be ready lang kayo. Kasi talagang grabe talaga sila. Magpapa-NBI na rin kayo.
Kinuha ko na nga yung contact kay Rob.
Ako pero hindi ba talaga.
Eh talaga, kwento ko talaga ng totoong buhay. ano?
Mainit
We
ba?
see that,
May
oh.
electric fan sila.
Right here sa stage.
Sabi lang kasi tahimik dito, baka naman tayo
Pero with that, Monty Melay, the next question is criteria sa pagpili sa kanila. Oo, ano yun?
Actually, ang criteria for judging is talagang grabe. Talagang this season, grabe talaga ang mga percentage. Kasi syempre, kapuso at kapamilya pinag-isto. Grabe ang pressure ng ating mga celebrity. Ngayon, marami na akong nalaman ngayon eh. Ano, sasabihin ko na?
Ay, hindi pwede.
Para mawala
That
ako
is for another
mawala
day.
ako sa opening ng buwan.
Sa takdang panahon daw po.
Okay. Basta meron akong nalaman. Ay, parang may mga... God! Pwede ba sabihin? Sige. May mga... Siyempre, celebrity to, di ba? May mga vlogger. Okay. Ano mga marites dyan, nakarili na talaga. Okay, parang ako ang may mali dito, ha? May vlogger, may mga gumagawa ng teleserye ngayon. Oo, celebrity pala sila, no? Basta ito lang ang masasabi ko, gumagala pa rin sa kayo, mag-ingat kayo. Hindi, kasi-
Virus pala?
Hindi, okay, kasi after this, ilang days na lang, iko-quarantine na sila. Kung bakit ikukulong na sila sa hotel,
In preparation.
at hotel arrest na muna sila in preparation para magkaroon sila ng mood na papasok talaga sila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And the criteria is syempre, yung talaga, maraming series of tests. May test sa DepEd. May test sa... Malagang test 20. May test sila na ginawa sa medical test. May medical test para sure talaga na hindi ka magkakasakit sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kaya sayang ba yung pagpasok mo? And may psychological test. Kasi ako may muntik akong kumanda. So, yun lang talaga. Magbas ka na lang din ako. So, yun naman ang awal. And talagang na-surprise na yun ng lahat. Ngayon, waiting na lang sila for their hotel arrest.
Tama naman.
Ay, may naiintindihan kayo?
Ito nga, habang nagsasalita si Ma'am Shimels, bumulong sa akin si Kuloy, hindi ko sure kung seryoso pa siya. Kaloy, seryoso lagi si Ma'am Shimels.
Sabi ko, filter ko ba dapat yung sagot niya kung ano yung pipick up ko doon? But yeah. They will jive together or mas in the first week pa lang magkaka-clash na.
For that question, Kaloy, can I have 1.5?
Alam mo, by the way, to the media and everyone here, this is the second time I've heard 1.5 today. After stepping foot inside the Kapamilya boundaries. Narinig ko siya 1.5 kanina sa dressing room and then now here for
I'm very
me.
sorry.
Sinabi ko si Ma'am.
Gimit kasi kami na rin.
Panggas lang. Hindi, the correct, ano yun? The dynamics? Siguro, ano ba yung tanong na yun?
Hindi niya manintay na.
Sa loob talaga ng bahay ni Kuya, marami talagang pinipili si Kuya ng mga different kinds of people. Basta people ha, hindi talaga tayo pwedeng magpapalad dyan. So, meron tayong mga seryoso, meron tayong mga parang maloko, kagaya ko, and meron din tayong mga sa studios, kagaya ni Robin. So, studios?
Kasi mas lunch siya, mabag kayo.
So, lahat ng yan, imimix yan ni Kuya para magkaroon tayo ng magandang istorya ng buhay sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
That's what we want. Colorful stories from different housemates. Talaga yung diversity inside the house.
Pero napapansin mo ba, nasa hosts pa lang tayo, pero willing ka nang panoorin yung buong season kahit
I know.
sila lang eh.
This has so much story to tell. Sila.
So, bigyan mo naman kami ng description of how the house will
Bahay
look
kalagka.
like.
But before you answer, we just like to wish you a happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. But to answer your question, I actually really like your question kasi ako yung type na ng viewer of PBB na isa sa mga pinaka-inaabangan ko po taon-taon, I mean every season, ay kung ano ang itsura ng bahay. Kasi it's never the same. It's always changing like what you said. So, I personally have not seen it. Hanggang ngayon ay under renovation pa din siya. So, excited din ako kagaya ninyo. But I believe, based sa aking source, aking reliable source, na madaming touch of ABS-CBN and of course ng GMA dun sa itsura ng bahay. So probably with the colors, you'll see the colors of the two networks and magiging isang buong collab yung bahay. And madami ding brands na nagtatap sa atin for this season. They want to be a part of our collab season. Gusto na makipag-collaborate. So, ngayon pa lang po maraming salamat sa lahat ng brands who want to be part of this collab edition. So, yun pa lang ang masispill ko sa'yo, BJI. Abangan. Exciting.
Hindi nakakagulat na ang daming brands that are tapping for collaboration here with us ngayon season kasi talaga namang jam-packed again. And also,
Meron ka bang birthday wish ngayon? Lalo na pa-start na ang PBB. And you're also starting a musical. Liwanag sa Dilim. Congratulations!
Dahil, yeah. Birthday wish for me and for the whole Pinoy Big Brother collab edition. Of course, I wish na maging successful din talaga. Although I'm pretty sure this because it's gonna be really, it's super duper exciting. And if I had a wish for myself, I guess, just to sustain or to receive an overflow of blessings. And not just for me, but for the people around me as well. And yes, Liwanag sa Dilim, we start this March 7 na. So I'm excited.
Full of blessings.
Good things
Ang
ahead
March
of you.
Ni Alexa, March 7.
tambayan, lalo na about sa mga updates para sa mga housemates natin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Siyempre, first of all, it's an honor to be an online host together with Architect Alexa. Kasi parang alam niyo yung structure ng bahay ni Kuya eh, na every
Ganun
season.
pag-host, dapat inaaral.
Galing.
Char-char lang.
Bilang architect. Pero syempre, kami ni Alexa, kami nang bahala sa online. Kasi syempre, PBB has so much fans eh. So we want to get the best of both worlds. Yung mga good comments and of course, di maiwasan yung bad comments din. And of course, we just want to give our pointers din to help our housemates and of course, direct a certain attention for the audience now, for the people watching PBB, and to create an atmosphere, a healthy one. We'll try our best, kami ni Alexa, to create a healthy environment for our housemates and of course the hosts, and at the same time, yung mga viewers din. So I'm really excited and looking forward to that. Kami ni Alexa, yung sa online gig naman. So that's tuwing mga commercial break and then we're gonna see the comments, babasahin namin, we're gonna talk about it, kung ano may nangyari sa bahay ni Kuya that week. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it.
Keywords dyan.
Grabe yung
healthy
palakpak ni Melay, oh.
environment.
O, anong sabi ni Mavi?
Sobra akong proud sa iyo,
Maraming salamat, Ma. Maraming salamat, Ma.
And for sure with you guys, Gabby and Benefit.